right. Y'all see this one? This one gonna be a project.
It's gonna be a hell of a project right there.
I sell a product,
but it's gonna get done.
I sell a product. Below.
All the women in the club.
This gonna be that bullshit right here. Oh, fuck.
Alright guys, I gotta tell y'all a really funny story. Somebody left a comment on one of my YouTube videos and they were like, I want a half cart for 20 bucks. I mean, as you all know, I do not sell any drugs. I sell a product. But I told homeboy, hey, I'll go ahead and sell you half a cart for 20 bucks. Okay. So I went up there to the corner store. He met me up there and he was like, oh man, that's not really half a cart. That's not what I meant. You don't sell a full cartridge? I said, no man, bro, I sell a product. I don't sell drugs. So then he's like, oh, that's what I thought that meant. Nah, homie, I sell a product. Try again. Alright, I got that bitch done. It's looking good. Look at that there. Elsa came back! Yeah! Yo!
Hi. I don't know, what's your name?
I'm Harmony.
Harmony, nice to meet you.
No one actually lives here. This is a workplace.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So what do y'all do?
Dog trainers.
That's amazing.
Yes, my own.
Yep.
Wow. That's so cool. So do you work here?
I sell a product.
Yeah.
That is so awesome. Yeah. What kinds of dogs are?
All different types. Dog.
Those are my favorite neighborhood missionaries. So then after that, homeboy found out that I didn't sell that type of product. Well, he decides he wanted to ask me, hey bro, can I hit it, man? I went ahead and let the nigga hit the shit, you know what I mean? I didn't want to be an asshole, bro, and I didn't want to lose a subscriber over not hitting my goddamn shit. But I sell a product, okay. You see that? Oh. Remember how twisted up it was? Oh yeah.
I sell a product. I sell a product. Below.
All the women in the club.
Below.